Morning, Keith. I've got 3 trucks that are equipped about the way that you were talking about. Extended cab with the V6 engine. I've got the white one here, I've got the silver one here, and then I've got the dark gray one on the end. They're all equipped identically, but the silver and the gray one are $395 higher than the white one simply because of the different paint. These guys come very well equipped, extremely quiet. With the V6, you'll have the ability to tow about 7,000 pounds or so, and you'll have room for 2 passengers up front, as well as jump seats in the back if you need somebody to ride with on a short trip or just for additional storage there. Inside, it's going to be automatic. You'll have the AM/FM radio, as well as your automatic climate control there as well. Sharp Trucks, I'm going to put some pricing together for you since this is the last day of the month. If this is something that you were kind of sort of thinking about doing, today would be the day to do it. Thanks so much. Appreciate you. Bye.